What's up you guys, it's Emmybre and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Y'all can read from the title, I have a huge Fashion Nova Valentine's Day haul, baby. We have tons of sexy Valentine's Day inspired looks to go through, so let's go ahead and dive right in. We are starting off strong with this adorable romper. So this romper has very long sleeves. The fabric is a really soft ribbed material and it has all of these pink hearts. It's sort of a red purpley kind of color. I wouldn't consider this burgundy. It has buttons. I could button it one more time up there. And then in the back, there's no zippers or anything. You just kind of pull it up. I feel like when I step back, it looks very, very purple. So it's like a little onesie romper. So it's just kind of shorts at the bottom. And this is the back. My one gripe with these rompers, I have so much extra fabric. What I did before is I just put two little pins to hold it kind of taut so it fits sort of the swell of my back, but it is definitely a very cute, it's very flattering on the booty. I picked this romper up in a size medium. Previously I got a size large and the waist was even bigger. Now I'm wondering if I could size down to a small, but I was always apprehensive because I have a really long torso. So I'll definitely be taking in the waist on this one, but besides that, this one is overall a 10 out of 10. This is so comfy and cozy. I feel like this is so sexy without being lingerie, so whoever you're with on Valentine's Day, this would be so cute for like a hangout or making breakfast, pancakes, that type of thing. So overall I am really excited about this one. I think we need to take a moment for this dress. This is unreal. So this dress is obviously very sexy, not for the faint of heart. So the top portion here is double lined and then you have a mesh panel right here. This little string is attached to right in there. Technically on the model it's meant to go around there, but it always makes my chest look like a stuffed ham. So I always try to avoid that. Right here at the waist we have a thick strap and then also a tiny one. You have another strap and then another strap. So there's 3 waist straps and these 2 right here are attached to like the brief that is in this, so it's almost like a built-in bodysuit. These straps right here were not adjustable, so I have a hair clip holding it in the back or else I could not show it to you guys just because the straps were way too long. So you can see my glorious clip in the back there. It also has a middle clasp. The top strap that goes around your waist just ties in the back, or you could do the side. I feel like this dress is giving me like cartoon proportions, making me feel like Jessica Rabbit up in here. So this dress has a really gorgeous draping of fabric down here, so the hips have a little cutout and it just sort of drapes down. It has sort of that draped edge. In the front you can see my knee, and then in the back it goes to around mid-calf. So this is the back. It is just super flattering the way the fabric just lays. Flattering the way that the fabric just sort of drapes. I really love that it has a built-in bodysuit because it would be really hard to know what to wear underneath this. This dress is so flattering. I feel like I could eat a good meal in it. Once I'm able to alter the straps, I feel like this will be perfect. I picked this dress up in a size medium. Besides the straps needing to be shortened, it fits absolutely amazing. This is probably one of the sexiest dresses I've ever put on. This dress gets like 100 out of 10 for me. I am just obsessed with this. Now I need to figure out where I can wear it. Next, we have a 2-piece set in quite possibly my favorite Fashion Nova fabric ever, the snatched fabric, baby. So I have an entire haul dedicated to the snatched fabric. If you're unfamiliar, it is a super stretchy, thick ribbed material. It really holds its shape and like hugs your body, and it's just very flattering. So this top is pretty simple. It just has a V-neck and it's also cropped. This also has a very long sleeves, and this is the back, so it's just stretchy, so you can just throw it on. And the pants are made out of the exact same material. They just have a little bit of a thicker band at the top. It's gonna step back, but I don't think you guys can see. It has a subtle boot cut. I would say a similar shape to like a yoga pant, and this is the back. So it has a seam going down the middle, and it is super curve hugging and flattering. What I love about simplistic 2-piece sets like this is like you can just wear the top, you can just wear the pants, vice versa. I feel like you could dress this up or down for whatever activity, Valentine's Day, anything you could think of. I picked this set up in a size large. I think it fits pretty well. The top definitely fits amazing. I would say that the waist on the pants is just a little bit big on me, but nothing crazy. I don't feel like they're falling down. I just wish that the waist had like that snatch, you know? Next up I have this super cute corset and pink micro skirt. I think my camera is picking up the fabric. I had no idea this is made with Fashion Nova's like a stretch denim, so it has a little stretch in it. It's made of a black wash denim and it has all of these tiny little pink bow appliques on either side, and it has eyelets going all the way down. This corset has real boning in it, and then you can see in the back it has a real lace up in the back as well. So it is also strapless. The only reason I can wear it without a bra is because it does have some structure in it. Let's talk about the this little skirt is very big on me. I wish that I could wear it high-rise and have it be kind of like that, like tight on the waist. It's being held up by the bottom of this corset, but this is made out of a baby pink stretch denim. It has all of these pleats and it has a button zipper closure. It also has belt loops, so I wonder if I could utilize that. My one gripe with it is very much so really short on the back for me. I definitely could not wear this without tights in public. Overall design and aesthetic wise, I absolutely love this. I picked the corset up in a size medium and I picked up the skirt in a size large. I wish I would have sized down even more to maybe size small. I really have it like as tight as it can go, and I feel like with it being denim, it might stretch out a little bit while I wear it. So if you guys are in between sizes, I would definitely size down because it is stretchy and it also has the corset back. There's only so much you can like take it in, but you can like let it out more. I wish I would have sized down for the skirt for the tighter waist, but also that makes me scared because it is so short, because even the size I went with is a little short. So maybe I'll tighten the waist and pair it with like a cute pair of black tights and then it would be perfect. But I feel like this is such a cute Valentine's Day vibe. I actually like the baby pink. I don't wear a lot and or any pink really, but this is definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. Next, I picked up this very cute top and I'm pairing it from my last Fashion Nova haul that I did, where I got these incredible jeans. So this top is made out of a sheer mesh velvet. So the actual fabric itself is like sort of meshy, and then it has all these gorgeous floral velvet appliques. I feel like my studio lights are like bam, bam. So this has a scoop neck. It also has two little ties right there. Nice long sleeves that are relaxed opposed to like it being super skin tight. This one is obviously cropped. And then in the back, you can see there's no zippers or anything. I feel like this top is just the epitome of like romance. I don't know why. Maybe it's like the velvet or the color. It's so feminine and so romantic. I really love how dainty it looks. The one thing I will say, I'm not gonna listen up any higher. My it goes right over them. So I think if I took the bottom tie and looped it into like the middle of my bra, it would stay still for me. Overall, I really love this top. I feel like it's such a cute outfit with these jeans. It's also pretty lightweight, so I feel like you could definitely bring this into springtime. I picked this top up in a size large. After reading the reviews on this one, everyone was saying that it didn't have a lot of stretch, so I wanted to make sure that it was kind of flouncy because I feel like that was the vibe of the top. Very glad I went with the size that I did. So if you guys are in between sizes or you're particularly busty, I would definitely size up on this one. Next up, we have this super sexy velvet sheer dress. This dress was technically in like the lingerie section. I saw it and I was like, oh, you could probably pair it with something underneath, so that's what I did. So this dress has stretchy little spaghetti straps and a subtle v-neck. The whole dress is made out of a black sheer mesh, the overall velvet cheetah print, and in the back you can see the straps are adjustable and it just has a zipper to help you get into it. I'll step back. I don't know if I can get far enough back. It hits me right around mid-calf. Like I said before, the entire dress is sheer, so I paired it with just a black bra and a black pair of briefs that I got from a previous haul that was under a mesh dress. And this is the back, so it's very flattering on the booty. I feel like there's so many different ways to wear it. You could wear it like this, you could wear a black mini dress underneath, or you could wear nothing at all. So I really love this one. I picked this dress up in a size medium. It fits absolutely amazing. It hugs the curves, which is super nice. Overall, I really love this one. I feel like it makes a really sexy dress, whether you're wearing something underneath it or not. This dress also came with a matching little G-string. Next, I put back on the black snatched ribbed pants to show you this corset. So this one's kind of a 2-for-1. You could wear this as a cute top, or you could also wear it as lingerie. It came with a matching little G-string. So this corset has a really pretty leopard print. You can see all of the piping and boning. So this is real boning, so it has a lot of support in it, and it has sheer mesh side panels. It also has really stretchy straps. You can see how stretchy it is. And this is the back. So it actually has adjustable straps, and it doesn't have a regular corset back. It has a zipper. You get into it, and then the straps are adjustable. I feel like this works as a going out top, but these pants, it is so cute. I don't know, I personally like when things are multi-purpose, so I absolutely love that. This lingerie set in a size large, and I probably should have sized down to a size medium just because the top is a little bit loose on me and it's super stretchy. I was just worried that my boobs were gonna like be at my chin. So if you are in between sizes, this one does have stretch, so feel free to size down. Next up, I have this super sexy burgundy dress. Up top here, it just has little spaghetti straps. It has a seam under here, but there is no underwire. Thankfully, it is tight enough and it does have those adjustable straps, so I'm able to not wear a bra. I could probably get away with wearing a nude bra with this one. So this dress is double layered, with the top layer being the gorgeous rose mesh. I feel like you can see the details of it. It also came with gloves with the exact same roses on it. And this is the back, so it just goes straight across, and then it has a little invisible zipper to help you get into it. Stepping back, so hopefully you can see, this dress I would consider a full-blown maxi. This is almost almost like an evening gown, so it just almost touches the floor. And you can see it has one of those back middle slits to help you get around and walk freely. And this is the back. So this dress has quite a bit of stretch in it, so it really just hugs the curves and is super sexy and very flattering. This dress also has these two seams going right down. Overall, I am just loving this. It is so beautiful and romantic and sexy. I feel like a sexy romantic vampire, if that makes sense. I picked this dress up in a size medium. I think it fits absolutely amazing. I'm trying to fancy a swanky dinner spot where I could wear this dress because I want to show you guys this lingerie set, and I thought that the red kind of matched. So this is a 3-piece lingerie set, and it is made of this really soft sheer mesh. It has adjustable straps. I feel like on camera it's reading more like red, but it's sexy burgundy color. This has underwire, and in the back it just has a regular bra clasp. I will say that this actually fits my chest surprisingly well. It's always a gamble. Like I said, this is a 3-piece set, so it came with the matching G-string and also this sheer garter belt with garters attached. There's something so sexy about a garter belt, even like a stocking, especially having that strap like right over your butt. It just makes your booty look so good. This belt also has a 3-hook like bra closure, so you can adjust it, as well as the garter straps. This one is very classic, sexy. I picked this set up in a size large, and I think it fits absolutely amazing. I'm so excited about it, and I cannot wait to shoot in it. All right, guys, the sun is like all over the place. It gets like really bright, then really dark. So if my lighting is going and I can't fix it in post, I apologize. I put back on the jeans from before to show you guys this super cute 2-piece sweater. Let's talk about it. You can see the texture. It's stretchy. It's definitely like that fuzzy knit sweater material, but it's very soft. It is not scratchy at all. Nobody's got time for that. So this is a 2-piece sweater set. You have a really cute little heart sweater tank top. I see why this set was almost sold out, so hopefully they'll do a restock. So you have the sweater tank, and then you also have over sweater that's cropped. I don't like it as much when I wear it like that, but I feel like if I like flip this up and you can see that it's 2 pieces. So the cropped tank top has red in the stitching, so it appears more pink, and then you have obviously all the red hearts and the red piping. And then for the over sweater, it is a very, I don't even know, my camera's picking it up, baby pink. And then it has just various red hearts on the sleeves. And this is what it looks like in the back. You can see the heart sweater poking out from the back. Words cannot describe how damn cute this sweater is. I love the long sleeves, the fabric. It is just so cute, like the design of it and everything. I feel like it screams all things cute and lovey-dovey. I don't know why. Even from like the side, you can see like the sleeves. I just feel very cute in this. Like I said, when I got my hands on this, it was definitely sold out in a couple sizes. I probably would have gone with the medium. I ended up going with the large because that's what was in stock. And I'm actually glad that I did get it in the large. It definitely is stretchy, but I'm very busty, so it's definitely very cropped on me because of that. I'm glad that I got the large because I can actually cover my bra. So while I have this heart sweater on, I wanted to show you some heart lingerie. When I saw this on the FASHIONNOVA website, I was like, yes, I need this. So this is a heart bra and thong, but you can see, look how cute. So it fits like that over the chi-chis, so your boobs become hearts. I also love the heart hardware. This one has adjustable spaghetti straps. The hearts don't have that much structure, but they do have a little layer of foam. This one has a regular bra clasp in the back, and this is the thong that it came with. So in the front, it has that sheer mesh with the heart embroidery. This one hits pretty high up on my hips. It also has the crisscross strap in the front. The back has the same little metal heart. This one is so sexy and so unique. I feel like you're the epitome of Valentine's Day. Overall, 10 out of 10. I had a photo shoot with this one and absolutely love it. As for sizing, I almost always get a size large in lingerie sets to accommodate like the size of my chest. So this actually fits pretty well. The thong is a little bit loose on the hips, but nothing too crazy. This one is definitely one of my favorites from this haul. I wish I could show it to you guys, but I don't want to get in trouble. But you guys know where you can see me in this set. Last but definitely not least, we have this perfect date night look, this red 2-piece set. If you've seen some of my other FASHIONNOVA try-on hauls, I am a huge fan of this fabric. FASHIONNOVA calls this their slinky fabric. I wish I could describe it to you. It is super stretchy, and on the outside it almost appears to be velvet. It doesn't feel like velvet. Let's talk about this top. It has a mock neck with a seam going right down the middle, which creates this really beautiful ruching. You get sort of this like scalloped edge on the bottom, and the sleeves are nice and very long. So these are like kind of my favorite skirts. So there's not really a waistband on it. It's like a very thin little band, so it doesn't dig into you at all. I probably should have worn a nude bra, kind of sheer, but there's no zippers or anything. It's super stretchy, so you just throw it on. So the skirt is made out of the exact same stretchy material, and the skirt also has a lot of ruching. It has a seam down the front, on the sides, and also down the booty crack. Step back so maybe you guys can see this hits me right at my ankle. I would consider this a maxi skirt. I will say it is easy to walk in because it is so stretchy. And this is the back of the skirt. So like I said, it has that seam right down the middle, so you get this beautiful ruching. And because of that ruching, it just really highlights the booty, so it's a very curve hugging. I feel like this would be such an amazing date night outfit because sexy, sophisticated, 10 out of 10. I picked this set up in a size large. For the most part, I always order up a size for two-piece sets because for some reason they always just fit a little bit smaller. But overall, the fit and the design, I am just chef's kiss. I am obsessed with this. Alright, you guys, that is all the pieces I picked up for this Fashion Nova Valentine's Day try-on haul. If you guys did see something that you liked today, I'll make sure to link all of these items down in the description box below so you guys don't have to go searching. I love you guys. I hope you all have an amazing Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.